Hello, and today I am going to play Animal Jam. Have I played this before? Well, yes. You might not can hear it, but yeah. So let's go. I have some pretty good stuff. Like, not sure if you can see, but I do have a spike cutter. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I am recording this from the laptop, like right from the camera. So, yeah. It might be hard to see, but I can see it through the camera, and yeah. It will be alright. Okay? So, I have no idea what I am going to do today. Let's just look for random stuff to do. Why not? That's what I do every day. Just look for something to do. Boo-doo-doo. I'm a turtle. Woo. Come on, come on, come on. Who wants some of the Ninja Turtle? Ah. Yeah. Ah. Adorable. I'm a Ninja Turtle. Woo. I'm a Ninja Turtle. Oh, just because you have shades means you're cool. Oh yeah? Well, guess what? Guess what? I'll show you some cool. I have none with shades. Oh, crap. Who's at my house? Who are you? You stranger! Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Ah! Yeah. If you do play this game and you do like it, please like this video, subscribe, and stuff. And I have heard that my brother's gonna try to make a video, a Lego video. So if you don't, so yeah, just a heads up. And sorry that I haven't been posting Raymond's Legends. Yeah. It has just been so busy this whole entire week. I had no time at all. If you can hear that in the background, that's the dryer going off. So, yeah. Boop. Come on, come on, get down my stairs. Gosh. What's that? Who cares? Do I even care about, like, stuff that happens? To tell the truth, no. It's just so crazy. Wait, that light could go on? What the heck? Grr. Well, jeez. Well, yeah. You live and learn, I guess. Man, I am still just decorated with all this stuff. I'm not sure when St. Patrick's Day is. It might have already passed or not. Come on. Gonna see if I can. Not saying I can, but I might. I'm just looking again. Because it said that snow leopards would be released to everybody. I saw no snow leopards so far. It's weird. And if you're wondering how I did get a spike collar, a very nice person decided to finally trade me it. Let me just show you this guy. Hang on. He's way back here. Where is he? I know where he is. He's back here. Oh, I passed him. It is this guy. So give a big like to Stormy. Well, not Stormy, I mean Stormfly222. She's a nice person, and she is like very fair with trades, so I appreciate that. That she wants to be fair. Like I said. So, I'm gonna quickly I'm just gonna show you a glitch, why not, okay? I have nothing else to do on Animal Jam except for show you a glitch. What's wrong? Nothing's wrong, girl. Jeez. People just ask people like, what's wrong? I'm like, nothing's wrong, fella. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, you see my monkey? Nobody sees my monkey. I'm glitching. I'm glitching. I'm glitching. Bites? What the heck is going on over there? Just like, oh my gosh. Or what is going on? What the heck is going on over there? I'm going over here. Okay? Hello. I'm not sure, this music just is beast to me. Oh no, 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 no. What? Why? Oh yeah, you think you're cooler than me, bro? I'm making a video. What you got? Huh? What you got? What you got? What you got, bro? Now let me just... It's not what I want to do, but close enough. That's good. Okay. No. Oh my god. Hang on. Let me just... Oh, jeez. I'm making a video, people. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Come on, say hi. Hi. I just love making videos some days. I'm just so excited. I just can't wait. Can't not wait. Can't. And what are you doing? Still in my house. You can still get out. How do I wash him? Smoke for AJ. What are they called? Look for AJ videos. This is first one. And no, I do not have free chat, but sadly we have to go. Well, cut it here. So, yeah.